flush my juice down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flush like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. I flush my juice down in the club. I always keep that shit on top.
Okay, so let's do this. I have an annual subscription to Skillshare, and I'm doing one of their VFX courses right now. I'll show you some of my scenes that I'm working on so you can get an idea of what's involved, what it takes to do 3D mixed with live or real world footage. Video is what we are. Okay, let's go. All right, and this is the material view of the animation. This is only 5 seconds worth of animation. Okay, we'll take a look at the compositing section here. I'll render out one of these images so we can get it placed into the background.
I flush my juice down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flush like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a
This here is a wireframe view.
If it's me that you need, I always keep that shit on top. You know I don't pick up the call. My piece flush like
And this section here in the layout is a material view without the live footage, or backdrop, backplate is what they call it in the industry. Another material view. Some more 3D wireframe. Closer look at some of the zombies and prop placement within the entire scene. That's pretty funny, that female zombie falling down. Apparently she didn't get enough brains. Look at this one, that's a little girl zombie. And over here we have some kind of weird dude. I think that may be Daft Willie himself. He's just standing by watching all the goings on with the zombies, all the bodies that he's got to process in his factory. I think he disposes all the bodies. This is the motion tracking section of the software. We had to motion track the footage, the video footage that was brought into the computer. So what it does is solves the camera movement in 3D space, X, Y, and Z. Basically up, down, side to side, left to right, and then front to back. Here's another section using DaVinci Resolve where I had to set the output of the audio for YouTube specification. They use LUFS, L-U-F-S. All right, so that should be it. These are just a slow-mo view of the entire scene. And here's the final scene.